Have you ever pondered the sheer power of physical activity on your overall health? Imagine a world where a simple act, say, a brisk walk or a quick swim, can transform your life in ways you never dreamt possible. That world is here, and it's the reality we live in. Physical activity, my friends, is not just about building muscles or breaking a sweat. It's about creating a healthier, happier, and more vibrant version of you. Let's take a moment to appreciate the gravity of physical activity. It's an integral part of our daily lives, a cornerstone of our well-being, and a conduit to a superior quality of life. It's like the hidden superhero of our bodies, silently fighting off diseases, boosting our mood, and injecting us with that much-needed energy. So what makes regular physical activity so impactful? Well, it's all about the magic it works on our bodies and minds. Regular exercise is like the finest elixir, enriching us with benefits that are far-reaching and transformative. It's a natural antidote to many health problems, a shield against the perils of modern-day life, and a catalyst for positive change. From strengthening our hearts to lifting our spirits, from sharpening our minds to enhancing our sleep, the effects of physical activity are multifaceted and profound. It's a silent revolution that starts within us, gradually improving our health, well-being, and the very essence of our lives. But remember, the key here is regularity. Just like a well-oiled machine, our bodies need consistent and varied physical activity to function at their best. It's not about running a marathon on day one, but about taking small, steady steps towards a healthier and more active lifestyle. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or a fitness newbie, physical activity is your passport to a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. It's not a luxury, but a necessity. Not an option, but a must-have. It's the one thing that can significantly impact your overall health, well-being, and quality of life. Stay tuned as we delve into the 8 remarkable impacts physical activity can have on your health. From boosting your physical health to enhancing your mental well-being, these impacts are as diverse as they are powerful. Get ready to explore the amazing world of physical activity and its transformative effects on our lives. The first and most obvious impact is on your physical health. Regular physical activity, seen by many as a form of self-care, is a critical component in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It's a beautiful dance, really. As you move, your heart beats faster, pumping oxygen-rich blood to your muscles. This increased circulation not only strengthens your cardiovascular system, but also boosts your immune response. But the benefits don't stop there. Regular exercise is like a shield, protecting you from the onslaught of chronic diseases. It helps to keep conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancers at bay. Imagine a world where you're less likely to be struck down by these health issues. Picture a life where you're not constantly worried about the next doctor's visit. That's the power of regular physical activity. It's not just about looking good or hitting those fitness goals. It's also about feeling good on the inside. In essence, regular exercise is a potent preventative medicine. The power of physical activity extends beyond the physical, reaching into the realm of mental health. It's no secret that regular exercise can play a pivotal role in managing stress. It's like a natural release valve, helping to lower cortisol levels, our body's main stress hormone. But the benefits don't stop there. Exercise can also reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. It's like a double-edged sword, simultaneously combating 2 of the most common mental health conditions. And the best part? It doesn't discriminate. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a fitness newbie, the mental health benefits of exercise are accessible to everyone. Beyond stress and mood disorders, physical activity can generally improve mood and boost overall mental well-being. It's like a natural high, a surge of endorphins that leaves you feeling happier and more relaxed. So if you're feeling down or anxious, a little bit of movement might be just what the doctor ordered. Physical activity is a kind of natural antidepressant, a mood enhancer that works wonders for your mind. The third impact is on cognitive function. Regular physical activity is just as important for the brain as it is for the body. It's like a workout for your gray matter. It improves memory and thinking skills, making your mind sharper and more focused. Whether you're trying to remember a recipe or solve a complex problem, exercise helps keep your mind in tip-top shape. But the benefits don't stop there. Regular exercise also slows down cognitive decline. It's like a shield, protecting your brain from the wear and tear of aging. It reduces the risk of dementia and other cognitive disorders. The brain is a muscle, and like any other muscle, it needs to be exercised to stay strong and healthy. So next time you're contemplating skipping that workout, remember it's not just your body that benefits from the exercise. Your brain does too. Physical activity is not only a workout for your body, but also a workout for your brain. The fourth impact is on sleep quality. Regular physical activity is like the Sandman's magic dust, coaxing your body into a deep, restful slumber. You see, when we exercise, we're not just building muscle and burning calories, we're also setting the stage for a night of high-quality sleep. How does this work? Well, engaging in physical activity increases the amount of time we spend in deep sleep, the phase of sleep responsible for the body's restorative processes. This deep sleep helps boost immune function, support cardiac health, and control stress and anxiety. In addition, regular physical activity can help those who struggle with insomnia. It helps reset the sleep-wake cycle by raising our body temperature slightly, then allowing it to drop and trigger feelings of drowsiness around bedtime. And let's not forget about sleep duration. Regular exercise can help you fall asleep more quickly and stay asleep longer, turning those fleeting moments of shut-eye into a night of blissful, uninterrupted sleep. Physical activity is a natural sleep aid, a lullaby for your restless nights. The fifth impact is on bone health. Regular physical activity can be a game changer for your skeletal system. You see, when you engage in weight-bearing exercises, you're not just building muscle, you're also increasing your bone density. This is a crucial benefit, especially as we advance in years. As we age, our bones naturally lose their density, making them more susceptible to fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. Regular workouts can help combat this, serving as a kind of insurance policy for your bones. Not only does physical activity increase bone density, it also promotes overall bone strength. Imagine your bones as a fortress. The more you exercise, the stronger the walls of this fortress become, protecting you from the ravages of time and the potentially debilitating effects of bone diseases. So by staying active, you're not only keeping your body fit, you're also ensuring the health and longevity of your bones. Physical activity is a shield for your bones, a fortress against the ravages of time. The sixth impact is on weight control. Regular physical activity is a mighty tool in the battle against the bulge. When our bodies are active, they burn more calories, helping us to maintain a healthy weight or shed those unwanted pounds. Now picture this. You're on a seesaw. On one side, you have calorie intake, represented by the food you eat. On the other, you have calorie burn, represented by physical activity. If you want to maintain your weight, you need to keep this seesaw balanced. If you want to lose weight, you need to tip the seesaw in favor of calorie burn. But remember, physical activity doesn't have a solo role in weight control. It's part of an ensemble cast, with a healthy diet also playing a crucial part. When combined, these two powerhouses can help prevent weight gain and promote weight loss. Physical activity is a key player in the game of weight control. The seventh impact is on longevity. Imagine having the power to add precious years to your life. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what if I told you that this power is within your grasp? Regular physical activity is that magic potion. It's not just about adding years to your life, but life to your years. Research shows that consistent exercise can reduce mortality rates. It's a powerful weapon in the war against heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer, the leading causes of death globally. Physical activity is not a one-time pill, but a lifelong commitment. It's about choosing an active lifestyle every day, and every choice brings you a step closer to a longer, healthier life. Remember, it's never too late to start. Whether you're 20 or 80, exercise can increase your lifespan, proving that age is just a number. Physical activity is a fountain of youth, a ticket to a longer, healthier life. The eighth and final impact is on quality of life. Regular physical activity is more than just a tool for maintaining physical health. It is a key element in enhancing the overall quality of life. But what does that mean exactly? Well, picture this. Improved physical function means you can do things you love without feeling fatigued. It means being able to play with your kids or grandkids, dance at a party, or hike up a mountain without having to take a break every few minutes. Next, consider your energy levels. Regular exercise acts like a natural energy booster, helping you to feel more alert and productive throughout the day. It's like having your own personal battery recharger. And let's not forget the psychological benefits. Exercise can promote a more positive outlook on life, enhancing your mood and reducing feelings of stress and anxiety. Physical activity is a catalyst for a better quality of life. It's time to make it a part of your daily routine. To sum it all up, regular physical activity impacts our lives in profound ways. It's a powerful force that shapes and molds our physical health, making us stronger, fitter, and ready to take on life's challenges. It's a balm for our mental health, easing stress, lifting moods, and fostering a sense of well-being. Our cognitive function, too, is enhanced with sharper memory and thinking skills. Quality of sleep improves, leading to more refreshing mornings and productive days. Bone health is fortified, warding off the specter of osteoporosis. Weight control becomes less of a struggle, more of a natural result of an active lifestyle. The promise of longevity is offered, with potential for more years of vitality. And lastly, the quality of our lives is enriched with more energy, more joy, and a greater sense of accomplishment. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. Invest in regular physical activity and reap the rewards of a healthier, happier life.